friends, God bless you and welcome. I hope everyone is having a blessed time and you're getting ready for Christmas. So I pray that y'all in the Christmas spirit. So Merry Christmas to those I may not see on Christmas. I hope y'all enjoy. Okay, friends, this is for my collaboration on 2023. I just wanted to do an open invite and everyone is welcome. I am going to host me and some other friends. We're going to be hosting and co-hosting a Clean and Decluttering collaboration. And this is freestyle. And I am going to be doing it in the month of January for 4 weeks. And friends, it's going to start on January the 11th and every Wednesday for 4 weeks. You can clean and declutter, organize. It's called Out with the Old and In with the New for 2023. So that means whatever space you want to declutter, it doesn't matter. Whatever you got to work on, it doesn't matter. Whatever you want to clean, you want to refresh. Friends, you do not have to go out and pay a bunch of money and try to make everything look Pinterest ready. But all we're doing is getting rid of the old things we don't need, things that we should have been taken care of in 2022. Now is the time. We're going to begin this year cleaning our home, getting our space cozy for the winter. And if this is you, friends, I would love for you to join me. I have so many other ladies that are joining me in this, and I am going to leave their pictures. I'm going to show you their names and their pictures in a few minutes. And friends, get ready. In this year, we're going to do better. And guys, I'm telling you today, I'm just relaxing and just get myself ready. You know, I got to clean up before I can declutter some things. So I hope that you guys will come along with us. And this one is just 4 weeks. So thank y'all so much and I appreciate it. Thank you ladies for co-hosting with me. And guys, please do come and help us along with this. I thank you, and once again, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. God bless y'all in 2023.